Okay, so this is how to get set up with this Fire Stick. First of all, you got to plug it in your HDMI, and then the first screen that pops up is My Account, or to register your Fire Stick. So what you do is you're going to get on Amazon, create a Amazon account without creating one for Prime, Amazon Prime. Just do the regular one. If you get Amazon Prime, they'll ask you for a credit card. So do not do Amazon Prime. So after you register, you're going to go to the next screen that'll pop up on your TV will be network settings. So basically, it wants you to connect to your Wi-Fi at home. And once you connect to your Wi-Fi at home, this will be your home screen. Now, if Area 51 is not on your first screen, then you're going to go to the top, go to settings, go down, applications, manage install applications, and then you're going to find Area 51 right here. You're going to click on it, and then you're going to launch it. So the very first screen is this right here. You're going to click on live TV. And the very first thing you do, every time you use it, first thing of the day, you're going to click on these three dots on the top right-hand corner, and you're going to refresh your TV guide. The reason for this is because when you finish using it at the end of the day, your Fire Stick goes to sleep. When it wakes back up, it has your old TV guide on here, and you want to refresh it so you have a fresh TV guide so you know what's playing next, and what's playing after that. So this is what happens when you refresh your TV guide. It takes about 30 seconds. Maybe a minute. Okay, so your first screen is right here again. You're going to go to live TV. Now here's all your categories: USA, local, USA sports, news, 24/7, your kids channels, all your sports packages that are suspended right now because of the COVID-19, Canadian channels, European, Polish, all your Spanish channels, your Russian channels, Italian channels, Pakistan, your music, your adult channels, and your miscellaneous. Now, if you want to lock your adult channels, because you might have little ones in the house, you're going to go to the top right, to the three dots again, click on it, you go down to settings, and then you're going to do parental control. So once you do that, you're going to pick your password, and then after you're done, you're going to push back arrow on your remote, and then you have all these categories. So for example, USA. Here's A&E channel, and if you look on the bottom right hand corner, will be your TV guide. So the lit up letters is what's playing right now, what's next, after that, and after that. Here's your list of all your USA channels, which includes everything. It's all the Cinemax, all your Discoveries, all your Epics, all your Fox East West, FX, Hallmark, HBOs, MTV, Nat Geo, whatever the other one, Paramount, Showtimes, every one of them, Stars, etc., TLC, TNT, True TV, TV Land, USA, VH1, Viceland. And so those are all your channels. So for example, let's go to National Geographic and check out what's on there. Or let's go Showtime. How about that? So on Showtime, what's playing is Total Recall. So I'm going to click on it one time, and it'll pop up in the top right-hand corner. I click on it again, it's going to go full screen, and there's Total Recall. You push the back arrow on the remote, and it goes back to this list. If you push back arrow on the remote again, it goes to your categories. My favorite one is 24/7. Plays everything all day, including like Breaking Bad, Bar Rescue, Beavis and Butthead, Breaking Bad. Here it is right here. Let's check out Breaking Bad. So here's Breaking Bad. Dave Chappelle. Click on it. So I'm going to go down the list. Dukes of Hazzard, Jetsons, King of Queens, Narcos. That's one of my favorites. And so let's go back to the list. I'm going to go down. My other favorite is where is it? Oh, see, they added another category: Royal Rumble and SummerSlam, 24/7. So it plays around the clock. Looks like Royal Rumble is not playing right now. Let's try SummerSlam. I watch WrestleMania. Brady Bunch. Dang, those two aren't working right now. Here's Brady Bunch. Ridiculousness all day. I don't know why the Royal Rumble and SummerSlam ain't working. I used to watch it every day. Pawn Stars. Hardcore Pawn. And then I'm going to go back and I'm going to go to the Spanish channels because a lot of people like to watch Spanish channels. And so there's a big list here, 300 and some channels. So let's go to Telemundo. And all these are in Spanish. So here's Telemundo. So that's a rundown of how this thing works. You have to have internet. So from step one to this right here shows you how to work this thing. It's simple, it's easy to use. And so just remember every day you must refresh your TV guide because on the day of a pay-per-view, you want to refresh your TV guide so the pay-per-view event will appear on your pay-per-view list. So there's nothing scheduled for today, but tomorrow on Saturdays, usually there's pay-per-views, boxing, UFC, etc. And there's nothing today, so there's nothing going to be on here. So let me push back arrow. All your kids' channels, Disney Junior, Disney XD, Nick Jr., Nickelodeon, everything. Cartoon Network. Push back arrow, and there's all your categories right here. USA Sports. Oh, no, this is news. Let's go back to sports. Every sports channel you can think of, all the ESPNs, all your Fox Sports has NBA channel, NFL channel, your Pac network. See, there's all the Pacs, Pac-12 network. So remember, you click on it one time, there's UFC. I'm going to click on it again, and there's the widescreen. So that's a rundown on how this thing works. I make this video so that way nobody has to keep calling me, but because this is pretty self-explanatory in this video. Thanks again.